This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine a 4-foot robot stealing the spotlight on TikTok and then stepping onto a factory floor. The Unitree G1 has racked up millions of views thanks to its cheap price, compact design and open-source software that lets anyone make it dance, spin, or hop like a pet. Its soft-touch legs and built-in torque sensors turn that viral charm into a safety story that eases public fear of autonomous machines. But the real test is performance. The G1 can sprint at 3.5 meters per second, handle uneven terrain and lift up to 5 kilograms, impressive for a consumer robot, yet still shy of industrial-grade demands. Adding it to a warehouse means extra engineers, sensors and custom code, driving total ownership well beyond the sticker price and forcing companies to prove a clear ROI on low-skill tasks. Can the G1 become a true workhorse, or will it stay a meme-ready mascot? Follow ChainMind for the next frontier in decentralized AI robotics.